Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday and I'm at Walmart on this crappy, cold, snowy day. We've gotten snow for the last couple days now. I'm like, where's spring? We're back to winter jackets, everything. But yes, I am at Walmart right now and I'm excited to share with you guys some deals. There is some Ibotta deals that I'm hoping that are going to be like double. Like you scan an item and 2 rebates pop up. So I'm going to try a couple of those items out. Other than that, I know there's that whole month-long thing. I chose 55 rebates for $25. I know I needed to get like 100-something rebates for 50. For me, it's not, I'm not gonna go shopping every day just to go get some rebates, but I think 55 for the month would be pretty good. That means I have to average about, I don't know, like 15 a week, give or take. So let's hope we can get that. It is not quite time yet for if there is going to be a weekend warrior for me. I know for the weekday warrior I needed so many rebates for $1. I have a feeling it's gonna be $1, but we will see. But let's go inside and have some fun, saving some money while we're shopping at Walmart. So here we have the Deslum Vape Roll-On Cough Relief for $8.47. You would pay $8.47, but I have an Ibotta rebate that did disappear on me. I just have to go to that little thing on the bottom. But there is a $5 Ibotta rebate that will be ending soon. And then we have a $5 Shopium digital coupon that you can submit your receipt to, making this a $1.53 moneymaker. If your store is sold out of the Deslum, you can actually get the children's cold and flu. I did this deal last week. You're going to use that $5 off Shopium deal and then the $5 off Ibotta deal, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Mucinex sore throat lozenges. I can't even pronounce that word, I'm sorry. But it's $4.98. You're going to pay $4.98. You can submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you get $2 back, and then there's also a $2 Ibotta rebate for that, making this a just 98 cents. Here we have the Poise pads. You want to get either the 20 count pads or you can get the 24 count pads because those are the ones that are ringing up for double Ibotta rebates. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to pay $11.94 for 2 of them. But we actually have some Ibotta rebates. There is two different Ibotta rebates with a limit of 3. So you'll end up getting $8 back with Ibotta for that. And then you can submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you get $5 back off of 2. And then I have it with Shopkicks, but it has it where I can't like scan the item. It says that I can't do it, but when you go to submit your receipt, it shows up right here where I get 425 kicks because it's $5.97 or more. So you're gonna get 425 points with Shopkicks, which is $1.70. So buying 2 of these, it ends up becoming a $2.76 moneymaker. So here we have the gum soft picks, 50 count for $2.96. You're going to submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you get $1 back with that. And then you can also submit your receipt where you get $1 back with Ibotta, again up to your discretion. But this ends up becoming just 96 cents for 50 picks. I think that's a pretty decent deal. Here we have the Old Spice spray deodorant for $6.97 and then one of these for $6.97. You're going to together pay $13.94. But with Shopkicks, you get 435 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product for this one, which is $2.14. Then you can also submit your receipt for Ibotta where you get $5 back off of 2. And then there's 710 kicks for this spray, which is $2.84. So altogether you will pay $13.94. You get those money back. It comes out to be $3.96 or just $1.98, which I think is a pretty decent deal considering it's over 50% off, maybe even 70% off, but great deal. Here we have the Old Spice Gentleman's Deodorant for $12.97. You're going to purchase that and pay $12.97. But here with the Shopkick app, you get 510 kicks, which is, well, 500 points is $2. And then you also get $4 back with Ibotta. And then when you, yeah, $4 back with Ibotta, and then you also get another rebate, $4 back with Ibotta, making your final price for this just $2.97. So here we have the Old Spice Gentleman's Body Wash for $12.97. You're gonna pay $12.97, but here we have a $4 Ibotta rebate. Then we also have another $4 Ibotta rebate, and you can submit your receipt to Shopkicks where you get 1,000 points, which is $4, making this $12.97 bottle all the way down to 94 cents, which is an awesome 97 cents, which is an awesome deal. Here we have the Gillette deodorant, the spray, for $6.97. You're gonna pay $6.97, but you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $3 back, and the Shopkick app where you get 635 kicks, which is $2.54, making this bottle of Gillette just $1.43. And I don't get Gillette very often, so $1.43 is better than nothing. Here we have an Ibotta rebate. You can get the trial sizes of the Old Spice deodorant for $1.47. You can buy 3 of them. Altogether, you would pay $4.41, but then there is an Ibotta rebate where you do get $5 off of 3. I scanned the product, so as long as it's scanned, you would be approved for the item. So you guys could get that, making it a 59-cent moneymaker for that. Or if you guys if you guys have a ton of deodorant and you want to do the body washes, I scanned the body washes also. Those are $1.97. You would buy 3 of those and pay $5.91, but then get that $5 back, making it 91 cents or like 30 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal. Here we have the Febreze spray. I really wanted this one, but the Ibotta rebate's not attaching to it. But these are $3.24. You're gonna pay $3.24, but then you get $2.30 back with Ibotta, making them 94 cents. You can also get the small spaces for $3.24, and you'll get $2.30 back with Ibotta, again 94 cents. Or you can just get this normal plug-in for $3.24, and you'll get $2.30 back, making it 94 cents. Here we have the Swiffer wet cloths. I use these for my house, so I'm getting these because I can get a deal for them. These are $5.44, you'll pay $5.44, but then there's an Ibotta rebate for $2 back, making it $3.44, which to me, if I'm getting savings for it, I feel pretty happy about that. The next you guys can get is, this is a great deal, $5.44 for this Duster Swiffer kit. You pay $5.44, but it is a limit of 1, but you get $5 back with Ibotta, making this just 44 cents. 44 cents, you can't go wrong with that. Here we have the Hellmann's, again, regular price $5.98. You would pay $5.98, but then you can submit your receipt to the Shopee app for $3 back, and then you can also submit your receipt for $3 back with Ibotta, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. You can also get the squeeze bottle, but these are 20 ounces and these are 30, so I feel like you get more, and you can always put this in a squeeze bottle if you have one. But I know there's an extra freebie that you could do with the vegan mayonnaise, but I'm not doing the vegan one, but it ends up becoming a moneymaker for that. I'm in trouble. They have garlic ranch and they have Cheez-It ranch. I need some of this stuff. I kind of want to get the Cheez-It ranch, maybe try it with french fries or something. Thinking. Hello everybody, I am back from Walmart. Yes, it was fun shopping today. I kind of like just took my time and really like was scanning. I swear I spent more time in the deodorant aisle than anything else. It was just like, that's okay, that is okay. So I am here to share with you guys everything that I paid for. So everything that I shared with you guys I got, which is fine. I wanted to get the L'Oreal Revitalift, but it disappeared when it was in the app. But it is in, like, when you go open the app, there's a spot. So if you have a rebate that just recently disappeared, you go and like go to like Walmart, and then the bottom right there's like these 3 little lines. You click that, and those are what is automatically in your list. So those are the items that you added to your Ibotta list, which means that they've been claimed so you have a chance to use them, or they're going to be expiring soon. So as long as you have them claimed and they're in that list, then you should be fine. So that's like, I'm like, oh, I was just there, it was gone. But I was going to get it, but my store has half of that stuff all locked up, and then it was a different price online, which I could have had them price match, but I would have to have the person at the beauty counter do it, and like I don't think he knew how to do that, so I just like, whatever. Yeah. So my total, you guys, came to be $106.19. Sorry, I'm still in a lot of pain. It's bearable now, like as long as I have medicine in my system, but I have a physical therapy in the next 2 weeks for my back and neck. But thank you guys for all being supportive. But yeah, I just hurt myself doing that. But $106.19 for everything. Now remember, I never pay with my own money for that stuff. Like I used to, but what I always do is I always redeem gift cards. I usually redeem like an Ibotta gift card. You can get those instantly. Shopkick, you can get them instantly. And then Swagbucks, you can get them instantly. So yeah, I ended up receiving $61.90 for Ibotta. Or yeah, $61.90. From 106 to $61.90. Shopkicks, I received 3,435 points, which is $13.74. Shopium, I did receive $16 back. Now, some people are wondering why you guys get denied for that. So and it's up to your discretion if you guys want to do that. But when I do Ibotta, I have Ibotta and Shopium. They're both connected to the same email. The only thing is, if you do Shopium, certain Swagbuck deals are digital coupons and some are Swagbucks deals. But you can't like submit the same receipt. And if you guys want to do it, go for it. I don't care. But you don't want to basically do Alexa, Swagbucks manufacturer, and then shopping manufacturer. That's where people are getting denied because you can't do that. And then make sure you're also not clicking those little check marks on the Ibotta or on Walmart, because that's the same thing too. So that's how some people are just saying they're getting denied. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. I got 2 cents for Fetch Rewards. 2 cents. 25 points. 2 cents. And then I did finish the Weekend Warrior. I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior. 18 for $5. $5. So I did hit that. And then I thought I needed 55 rebates for the 25 rebate, or for the Ibotta rebate, but I actually need 93 rebates for the 25. 93 rebates for the 25. So I ended up doing, I did redeem my gift card, so I ended up getting 20 Ibotta rebates with this. Yes, because the multiple works. So if you add all that stuff together, my total came to be $9.53. $9.53. So if you think about it, $106.19, I saved $966. Or, I cannot speak today. $96.66. $96 for that. Yes, I'm pretty happy with that. I was really looking forward to any of the clearance finds. Like, there's some laundry on clearance, there's some toys on clearance, but nothing that I really found that like was popping at me. I did find some stuff that I'm going to be doing taste tests for. I found a cup of noodles of everything bagel. If you guys watched me do a video last year, they had the breakfast one. That was nasty. And then I found churro Oreos, so I'm pretty excited to do a taste test for that. And then I ended up getting some of those sauces. So, yes. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I love to hit 70,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be a wish of mine, and I love helping you guys save money. So all you have to do is subscribe. It's absolutely free, and all you do is support me. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.